Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Niyamat Nagar for Gemini Properties and today we are at one of the most premium projects in Kalyani Nagar, that is the Raheja Woods. So let's start the tour. We are now at the entrance of the building, so let's go up. This building comes with 2 elevators. This building also has security cameras and staircase. Let's go. The elevator also has a security camera here. We are now at the entrance of the apartment. There are 4 apartments on every floor. We are now at the entrance of the apartment, and the most beautiful thing of this apartment is right across the entrance is where the puja room is. From here we enter directly into the living room. It is a very spacious apartment. To my left hand side is the master bedroom, but we will be seeing that last because it is the highlight of this apartment. The living room also comes with this huge window and a mosquito net. And from here you can see the amenities of the society. So the pool is right here. The living room specifically has this one textured wall. It is so nice and pretty. You can put your frames and paintings over here and they're going to stand out. This apartment also comes with these cabinets that have these shelves. So you can put books or put some nice showpieces over here to decorate. There's also going to be this table. The center table is going to be there. So the owners are also okay to leave the furniture behind if that is what you need, but they're also okay to take it with them if you don't need them in the apartment. Connecting to the living room is the dining room. The dining room is right across the kitchen, and this is what is going to stay. And this is where the kitchen is. The kitchen has cabinets, a water purifier installed, a sink, a pipe gas connection and a pipe gas meter. More and more cabinets and space for storage. A platform for you to keep your electronics over here because there is a connection over here. So like the mixer grinder, the microwave oven, you can keep them all over here. Also the kitchen and the dining room is right opposite each other, so serving food is very easy. And right across the kitchen is the balcony. It is a huge balcony, just look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Look at this. The owners have a few pots over here, but if you feel like or you're very fond of gardening, you can put a lot of pots over here and make your balcony so beautiful. There are these chest of drawers and a cabinet also over here. This is nice crockery. You can also put photo frames over here and make it into your private special spot in the apartment. And this is where the washing machine space is. So you can put in your washing machine over here and it's not even going to be visible. People are not going to know where your washing machine is. So the house looks very neat. And this is one of the most beautiful and the cutest bar I have ever seen. This is what the owners are leaving behind. So you can stock this up with your alcohol, and right behind this is where the glasses are. So pretty. Let's go see the first bedroom now. So this bedroom comes with wardrobe. Like I mentioned, the owners have planned their apartment out very well. They have these huge drawers over here in the wardrobe. You can also hang your clothes over here. There is extra storage space above the cupboards for your travel bags. There is also an AC installed. A bed and a bathroom. There's also a geyser installed in the bathroom with an exhaust fan. This can be a room for your kids, so this can be their study table and they can put their books up here. Connecting to this room, we step out of the balcony again. The same balcony we saw from the living room. Right opposite this room is the second bedroom. This room also comes with a bed, a window with mosquito net, so everybody who has those old grandparents' cupboards that people used to use, the steel one, you can place it in right here. This is what the owners really wanted. So it looks neat, just like the other wardrobes, but you know what it actually is. Again, the way the other room had the wardrobe, this room also has the same wardrobes with spacious drawers to keep your clothes organized, some drawers for your socks, and again the same thing to hang your clothes in. This room also has an AC. And more storage space. The bathroom attached. This bathroom also has a geyser, exhaust fan. Let's go have a look at the master bedroom now. When people say live life king size, this is what they mean by it. Look at how spacious this room is. I mean, oh my god. So as you enter in this room, there is this sliding door that separates this area from the bedroom. This can be used for your shoes or extra storage. It is very beautifully designed, has 2 window ACs in the room, a bed, wardrobe, a beautiful dressing table, with drawers for you to store your makeup or your hair equipment over here. And the bathroom. This bathroom also has a geyser, exhaust fan. Isn't it beautiful? A lot of storage space in the apartment. You can make this into your work from home area that has these cabinets. You can put in files over here, your books. A drawer. More storage space. BHK furnished apartment, 1950 square feet, and comes with piped gas, water purifier, ACs in the apartment. And the price that the owners are expecting for this beautiful apartment is 2 crores 30 lakhs only. I mean, just imagine a location like Kalyani Nagar with the specifications in this apartment. The master bedroom so spacious. Isn't that an amazing deal? Look at the view right behind me. It is very beautiful. It is an all amenity society. You can see the swimming pool from your apartment. There is also a walking track for you to walk in the evenings and feel pleasant. This apartment also comes with 1 covered car park. This society also has garbage processing and solar heating. So today we are at one of the most premium projects in Kalyani Nagar, that is the Raheja Woods. It is a beautiful society with all the amenities in it. Speaking about Kalyani Nagar, you guys must have seen my videos and you all know the connectivity of Kalyani Nagar is very, very strong. We have the Bishop School right here, walking distance. We have the Gold Atlas that is also in Kalyani Nagar. Speaking location wise, the Koregaon Park is right here. Boat Club Road is very close. And Viman Nagar with the airport is just 3 kilometers away. We also have the Ruby, the Jahangir and the Sahyadri Hospital very close by. So your health is taken care of. The that we are standing in has the most beautiful view. It is a west facing view. So you have the sun setting always right near the river. And Pune is known for its southwest winds, so it's going to be breezy all the time. Being on a higher floor, it is a bliss. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, that is Nadin Nilgiriwala. And also contact the number given below, that is Rosina Nilgiriwala, for more details of this beautiful property. She's going to help you throughout. Thank you so much.